Bring your Google Contacts to life, not just stored, but working for you. With KrispCall's integration, you can sync, call, message, and manage leads in one streamlined workspace without jumping tabs. So, let's get you connected. Log into KrispCall, head to Settings, then Integrations, and click Connect under Google Contacts. Choose your Google account, allow access, and done. Once connected, you can tweak the setup to fit your workflow. Click the three-dot icon to access customization settings. In General Settings, you can turn contact creation on, off, enable or disable two-way sync. Once enabled, your entire contact list syncs with KrispCall. Choose whether or not to log notes automatically. Under Connected Numbers, decide which numbers in your workspace can make calls or send SMS through Google Contacts. Add all of them or handpick just a few, your choice. From here, every contact you create or update in KrispCall appears in Google Contacts. Want it both ways? Enable two-way sync during setup to import your existing Google Contacts. You can even bulk upload with CSV files. No duplicates, no clutter. Say you're browsing Google Contacts. You find a lead. Click the dialer icon next to their name. KrispCall opens up with the number auto-filled. Make your call, and if something important comes up, jot it down right there. Your notes instantly sync back to your KrispCall dashboard, not scattered elsewhere. Need help mid-call? You can transfer the call to a teammate, manager, or even an external number instantly. And yes, messaging works just as smoothly. Same icon, same flow. Every action, from call logs to texts to those notes you just took, syncs directly into your KrispCall workspace. No manual updates, no tab switching, just clean, centralized records you can rely on. If your contacts live in Google, it's time to put them to work. Connect KrispCall once and handle calls, follow-ups, and updates effortlessly. Start syncing smarter, calling faster, and closing deals like never before.